Now we will layer the iPhone 12 Pro motherboard. Before layering, we first remove the stickers and foam from the motherboard. The best way to get this sticker and foam is to heat the motherboard and then drip the alcohol. This way, the foam can be completely removed. After repairing the motherboard, replay the foam and sticker back. Okay, the foam and stickers have been removed. Now we will directly place the motherboard on the heating table. Turn on the switch. Apple 12 and above motherboards use high temperature soldering, so the temperature of the motherboard layering is higher than that of other models. We can heat models like the iPhone 11 at around 180 degrees Celsius. For iPhone 12 and above models, we need to set the melting point of high temperature tin at around 220 degrees Celsius. 220 degrees Celsius is just a reference standard. Different devices and environments have certain errors. There is no absolute numerical standard for the temperature of motherboard layering. I suggest that the temperature range for layering of high temperature tin motherboards is between 230 degrees. The temperature is too low and the motherboard cannot be separated. If the temperature is too high, it is easy to burn the motherboard out. The temperature of the device is now set at 5 degrees Celsius, quietly waiting for the temperature of the heating table to rise. If you basically operate like this, the motherboard will never explode with tin. After the motherboard is detached, let's first cool the motherboard. Then check again the situation of the adhesive chip on the motherboard. Check if there is any tin explosion on the CPU baseband. Okay, pass a test on the upper and lower motherboards. The chip with adhesive does not have any tin explosion situation. The soldering of the middle frame is very perfect. Thanks for watching.